Hello kids, welcome to Sarah's Learning Studio. Today we are going to learn 30 fruit names in English. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, apple. Say it with me, apple. Number 2, banana. Say it with me, banana. Number 3, grapes. Say it with me, grapes. Number 4, orange. Say it with me, orange. Number 5, strawberry. Say it with me, strawberry. Number 6, pineapple. Say it with me, pineapple. Number 7, mango. Say it with me, mango. Number 8, watermelon. Say it with me, watermelon. Number 9, cherry. Say it with me, cherry. Number 10, kiwi. Say it with me, kiwi. Number 11, peach. Say it with me, peach. Number 12, pear. Say it with me, pear. Number 13, melon. Say it with me, melon. Number 14, green apple. Say it with me, green apple. Number 15, lemon. Say it with me, lemon. Number 16, tomato. Say it with me, tomato. Fun fact, it's a fruit. Number 17, coconut. Say it with me, coconut. Number 18, pomegranate. Say it with me, pomegranate. Number 19, guava. Say it with me, guava. Number 20, blueberry. Say it with me, blueberry. Number 21, papaya. Say it with me, papaya. Number 22, mandarin. Say it with me, mandarin. Number 23, blackberry. Say it with me, blackberry. Number 24, raspberry. Say it with me, raspberry. Number 25, lychee. Say it with me, lychee. Number 26, plum. Say it with me, plum. Number 27, avocado. Say it with me, avocado. Number 28, jackfruit. Say it with me, jackfruit. Number 29, fig. Say it with me, fig. Number 30, dragon fruit. Say it with me, dragon fruit. Which fruit do you like the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sarah's Learning Studio. See you in the next video.